If you're starting with your computer science, or you are just a curious soul who wants to try experimenting with different operating systems such as Linux-based operating system, which are Ubuntu, Debian, Fedora, Red Hat Linux, OpenSUSE, Kali. So there are different variants of Linux, and there are Windows-based operating systems such as Windows XP, Vista, which are obsolete, Windows 7, 10. So these are different operating system, and as a computer science engineer, you would like to explore all of these so that you know what are the differences between these, and you can pick the one which suits your needs. So for that, either you can install them one by one on your machine by installing one on your disk and then formatting it after you're done with that, or you can have different partitions on your machine and you can install those operating systems in those partitions, or you can simply use a virtualization software such as VirtualBox, which lets you create virtual images of operating systems, and you can run even parallelly these operating systems. So you can have 10 different operating systems inside different machines, which are the virtual machines inside your VirtualBox system. So that is like pretty easy to do, and even if there happens to be some virus or anything inside the operating system, it won't affect your main host system. So that is the best thing, because you are experimenting and you can run different commands which can actually destroy your operating system in a way that the system files gets messy or some things like that. So your host machine stays unaffected, and that is something which you would like to have. So first of all, you have to go to virtualbox.org and go to the download section. From there you will see this these different options, and you can just click on the platform you're using. So I'm using OS X, so I will click on it, while you can explore different Linux distribution as well if you're using Ubuntu, Debian, OpenSUSE, Fedora. So just go back and we will download this OS X file. So this DMG file is being installed. It is similar to what we have in Windows, which is exe file. Basically it's an installer which will run, execute, and the software will be installed on your machine. So once the installer has downloaded it, you can just run it, and it will take a few minutes to install it. So now currently it is loading. So after you have downloaded and you have run this installer, you will see this file called virtualbox.pkg. Double click on it. So this is basically our installer, and it will take a few minutes to install. So just click on it, continue, install. You can just give the permission, and it's almost done. Yep, so the VirtualBox has installed on our machine. Now we can just move this to trash, and we can now just run VirtualBox. This is how the VirtualBox looks like.
Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.